Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful set. Now as you guys can see, these sets are inspired by Cardi B nail tech. Cardi B nail tech love using big stones, and many nail techs are using big stones as well. But you know, just to put a title to it, I gave props to Cardi B. But this is actually just a trend, you know. But yeah, going ahead within the video. Now as you guys know, I love to go straight to the point. I have already prepped and shaped my nails, and I'm actually using the acrylic system from Sassy Nails, Sassy acrylic system, sorry. And I actually love using Sassy acrylic system. My foundation are always on point. So I kind of like using, well, I really like using the Sassy acrylic system, but I'm always open to using different kind of inexpensive acrylic systems, as well as when I'm able to, I will get to the more expensive ones like Valentino or Young Nails. But for now, I'm an advocate for Sassy Nails and Mia Secret. But yeah, like I said, I am using Sassy acrylic system, and I'm using the pink cover acrylic color, and I'm just using that, and I mixed it with a bit of with a hint of the Mia Secret ice cream. It's like a hot pink colored acrylic, but it's called ice cream from the Fruity collection. And so I actually mixed that together. I like mixing my acrylics because they give me a custom design, and plus I don't really like using gel polish that much anymore. So I just like to make custom acrylics. So I will let the video play out, but I just wanted to let you guys know the stones that I've used, they can be found on my website, sauvageartistry.com. I will leave the link down below. I wanted to try out the different shapes and stones first before I put them on the website, but now they're available on the website because I wanted to share a video with you guys on YouTube first, and to review the stones because I got them from a specific vendor, and I wanted them to look as realistic as possible to the Swarovski crystals, because you guys know that real Swarovski stones are very, very much expensive. And I was actually looking for a vendor that had realistic stones that imitated Swarovskis, because I'm not gonna lie, Swarovskis can break a girl pockets. And so I wanted to go ahead and find something that was very inexpensive for all nail techs to use, as well as at home nail artists and everyone in particular. But yeah, you guys can go ahead and check out the website. You guys can purchase different nail supplies, as well as hair bundles, and the rings that I'm wearing can also be found on the website. But you all, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I'm going to go ahead and let the video play out. I would like to thank my new and returning subscribers for coming back. As you guys can see, I actually changed the shape of my index finger to stiletto because the shape was too thin for coffin, so I just switched up the shape. But now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my builder gel from Mia's Secret and apply my stones.